Want to know how to progress faster as a free-to-play player in KingsRoad? So KingsRoad requires you to sometimes use money, and you can also max out your stats and play efficiently just by being a free-to-play player. So you don't need to spend money to progress fast. Make sure you start by completing daily quests and events every day. They give huge value for free. Make sure to do that. Focus on building a strong main team instead of upgrading everything. Save premium currency and use it only during special events. So make sure you join an active alliance for extra rewards and support. With consistency and smart decisions, free-to-play players can progress just as well as the paying ones. And that's it, super simple and easy. Make sure you take proper steps and make sure you use your resources efficiently to be as competent as the paying ones in free-to-play. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.